What is going on YouTube? Hayden back making another brand new Crypto TV episode. In today's video, we do have a lot of important things to go over. XRP, Ethereum, Bitcoin, as well as the S&P 500. Today is also Monday, September 2nd, the first official day where the markets are going to start to see some volume move into them because obviously it is the first kind of like business day for October, and October typically is historically bullish in regards to its performance year after year after year, which means we should be seeing some very nice flow of volume back into cryptocurrencies, back into the stock market, and hopefully, fingers crossed, we start to see some positive movements, which honestly, I think we're already starting to see within these cryptos. Now, historically, you can see here, Bitcoin history repeating three indicators that suggest October will reignite the Bitcoin bull market. I'm super excited here. We're going to look over this article a little bit later on today. We're looking at XRP here, which I think is bullish. Ethereum is already exploding to the upside here. Bitcoin is already exploding to the upside here as well. This was a very easy opportunity to buy into here. We are already in and long Bitcoin right now, so hopefully you guys take advantage of this. And then the S&P 500, I think today is going to start swinging to the upside, which I'm also very, very, very excited about, and we should be seeing moving to the upside in the very near future. Now, with all of that being said, definitely make sure to smash the like button, turn on post notifications, subscribe, and let's jump into today's episode. So as you guys can see here, Bitcoin history repeating. Three indicators suggest October will reignite the Bitcoin bull market, and I am 99% confident that is what's going to happen here. The flagship cryptocurrency has closed October in profit 7 out of the 9 times since 2013, raising hopes that it will be bullish, be able to, to log a fractal bull run in the next 31 days. Now, I don't know if this is certain. You can see here it's 7 out of 9 times, but you can see this article was posted in 2021 here. So we've obviously had two more years since then, one more year since then here. But regardless, it doesn't matter because what we're looking at here is going to be the Bitcoin monthly returns. But you can see, failed to break the so-called September curse. You can see here, Bitcoin September curse. It's hysterical. There's literally a rumor here. Historically, September has been a challenging month for Bitcoin, renowned for its adverse market conditions. The shift in trend rekindles interest and presents a fresh perspective on the cryptocurrency's performance. So we are going to most likely see here a very positive reversal in this month, which I'm very excited for here. You can see here it says with its price a little over some percent, Bitcoin looks to be making a comeback in October, a month known for painting aggressive bull reversals here. And if history repeats itself, which I think it is, we are going to see exactly that. You can see by this chart here, September is historically bearish here. 7 out of the 9 months has been bearish, but 7 out of the 9 months here have been bullish, which is incredible too. 7 out of the 9 months bullish in October, 7 out of the 9 months bearish in September here. So ideally, we should be seeing a very solid reversal in the markets here, and we should see cryptocurrency be moving to the upside, which I'm very excited for. Now, we've been pretty much tracking and talking about this day after day on my channel here. You can see clear as day here. We have kind of the market thumbnails that I've been making here where you can see clear as day. Let me just pull that in. You can see we've been tracking kind of these 4-hour ascending fractals bullish formations here. You can see over the 4-hour charts. This is pretty much tracking I believe this was the XRP one here. But I'm basically saying that, this is incredible and huge progress was made across the board for most of these cryptos as we enter October. We should be seeing some positive movements to the upside in the, almost immediately after here. You can see just right off the bat here, top 10 cryptocurrencies were up about, we're at 1.12 trillion. So we've had about $0.08 trillion move and flow back into the markets here. And you can already see we're starting off Monday with a bang as volume is definitely entering across the board. Bitcoin's up 8% over the past 7 days. Ethereum's up 10% over the past 7 days. A lot of these cryptocurrencies are out quite a bit. Solana's up 23%. You can see October is just moon blasting to the upside here, seeing major influxes and volume being injected back into the market, which is incredible here. Pretty much every cryptocurrency is starting this run, 10%, 18%. Everything is starting to flow back up. We've been calling this for quite some time now. I mean, literally look at my videos here, if I pull up my videos, you can see the past what I've been writing here. Now what's happening, you can see where I've been saying pretty much October. I don't even know where I was talking about this. Did I put it in? October is bullish, September prediction, so on and so forth here. I've definitely put it in the titles too. But regardless, I've been very, very, very much so bullish month after month, or day after day after day, talking about the XRP price movements and the major cryptocurrencies here. You can see on the 4-hour charts here, we are looking fairly nice in regards to the upward trajectory that XRP is starting to see after the bull flag breakout here. So I'm a strong believer that after this, you can see bull flag right here, the beautiful flag pull, the beautiful flag itself, and here's the run to the upside here. Yeah, we had a big little bull trap right here. Even though we were able to capitalize off this run, we're still starting to slide higher, and we still closed above the major blue band, which was a very strong resistance level in the past here. And you can see now it's acting as a means of support, and we should ideally be able to break back above here and start to see swings to the upside. I'm a very, very, very strong believer that October is going to bring some good, luck to us as we start to see prices rise up. I'm a very strong believer in that, as we are starting to see, we've had these technical indicators on the markets for months now here. We've had clear as day bull flag formations. Here's 1, here's 2, here is 3, and now we're looking for the 4th bull flag breakout. And once we break through this moving average on the daily on XRP, we're going to see a very solid run to the upside here. Now, we are taking advantage of the Ethereum pop and the Bitcoin pop specifically on BidFi here, the #1 cryptocurrency leveraging exchange that I like to use here on the channel. BidFi has allowed me to buy long, sell short, leverage trade, create stop losses, take profits, everything you could possibly think of. It's literally offered on BidFi. They even have a welcome rewards bonus of up to $2,888 by completing the tasks right here and signing up at the link down in the description below, which I highly recommend you guys take advantage of. It's a way to earn some free money, and who doesn't like free cryptocurrency? But even beyond that here, you can see where they have their take profit margins right here, take profit, stop losses, the leveraging amount that you want. You literally click here or click derivatives, and you can go to Bitcoin here where you can leverage trade this to the upside here, which is what we're currently taking advantage of. So definitely, pay attention to that. So make sure to check out BidFi down in the description below. But as you guys can see on Ethereum, and then we'll look at Bitcoin here, beautiful kind of flag pattern forming here. What's interesting too, and I definitely want to extend this out and see how this kind of starts to make sense here. You can see this is definitely a downtrend nonetheless here, but regardless, within this beautiful descending fractal here, we confirm closure above this resistance right here, and since then we've shot right up to moving average here. We are starting to see a reversal shooting star doji, but regardless, once we confirm closure above this price ceiling here and close the daily, that was an opportunity to leverage to the upside. Now, I've been saying time and time again that trading Ethereum has been kind of iffy for me. I'd much rather focus on Bitcoin, and that's pretty much what we've been doing here, but this was an easy opportunity. Now, we are starting to become overbought, but even beyond that, you can see we are breaking through it here. There was a major stair-stepping pattern here. We finally confirmed a breakout above this major resistance here. So I'd likely think maybe we'll see small confirmation, small correction, but ideally a flow, a break, a pump back to the upside is definitely where I'm suspecting, and predicting Bitcoin to be moving to. I'm a very, very, very strong advocate that we are going to start to see Bitcoin and Ethereum and the XRP charts start to swing up bullish in October here, and I think it's going to bring some pretty cool opportunities and runs. Same thing goes with the S&P. The S&P is bottomed out at oversold. We're holding on to dear life at bottom support price floor and retesting moving average here, but I likely think that this is going to see a rally as well. I really do think that this is going to bring a pump in the very near future for the S&P 500, as we've shown, historically here. But even then, just in the past coming months, ever since we've bottomed here, we've kind of been heading upwards. So I'd likely think that we are going to continue that trend to the upside in the very near future as well. This is a good opportunity also to buy in, because I believe we're down about 7.5% from the high, which isn't bad, but it's been historically bearish for the month of September. Or September wasn't that bad. Yeah, September was maybe brought us a bearish month of maybe 5% here, but ideally I think October is going to be much more bullish, and we should see a pretty solid recovery, and we should be getting to the upside here by the end of this year, which is pretty incredible if you ask me. But with that all being said, smash the like button, turn on post notifications, subscribe, and I'll see you in tomorrow's video. Peace.